Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to unstake Cardano on Yoroi Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to type Yoroi Wallet. After that, you just have to log in into your Yoroi Wallet. Once done, on the home page, you are going to see a withdraw tab. So you need to tap on the withdraw tab, and then you will be able to see this type of pop-up in front of you, where you will have to scroll down and then tap on I understand. Then you need to click on deregister. Once I've done that, you will be redirected on the next page where you will be shown this type of confirmation page, which will ask you to confirm your transaction. So over here, it will give you all the information relating to your transaction. So in this section, you need to provide your password relating to your Yoroi account, and then you need to press confirm. Once you do this, you will notice that you have successfully unstaked Cardano on Yoroi wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.